Okay, hello Primary 2. So, I'm just going to help you answer Anthology Book page 86. First of all, though, I would like to go through a bit more of the grammar, which has been looked over in Animal World. And I'll go through it bit by bit with you, okay? So, first piece of grammar. It says, animals in danger, read and respond. Draw a line to show where each bit of information appears. So it's asking you to look for the caption, the chart, and the subheading. And it's telling you Amur leopard, words in red, the Javan rhino has skin that looks like armor, hunters killed the rhino for sport. So what we have to do is that we have to get the anthology book. We have to go to the pages in the anthology book to actually look for what they're telling us about, okay? So I'll show you how to do that. First of all, let's look at the definitions of things. So the first definition is a caption. And it says that a caption is a brief description accompanying an illustration. So it's a little bit of writing next to the picture, telling you something important about that picture. So let's have a look. It says, Amur leopard, words in red. Okay, is that a caption in our book? We can see that no, that is underneath the title and it's on page 80. Then it says the Javan rhino has skin that looks like armor, and that is on page 83. And yes, it's in yellow and it's talking about the picture. So that would be our caption. Now let's see the next definition. And it says chart. Whether it's a kind of graph, map, or even a piece of music, a chart is a visual display of information. Well, I know I saw a visual display of information on page 82. So I go to page 82, and it says, hunters kill the rhino for sport. Okay, and it's in the chart because the chart says, what is the problem? And the answer is, hunters kill the rhinos for sport. So let's join those two. And now the next one says Amur leopard, words in red. And you remember page 80? It said animals in danger. That was the main title. That was the heading. And then underneath it, it says Amur leopard. So Amur leopard, yeah, words in red would be the subheading. Well, I hope you've understood this perfectly. Let's carry on. So, read and respond. Match the paragraph description to its subheading, okay? So the first one has been done for you. Chili Home explains where red pandas live. So it's talking about the red pandas. So we would have to go to page 84, yeah? Hidden pandas, trapped, what will the future bring? So all this is talking about the red pandas. This is activity about red pandas. So hidden pandas. And we have to look and see what could be the answer to that, okay? So it describes how the big forests are being turned into lots of little forests. So the red pandas find it hard to travel between them. That would be more for trapped, okay? If you cannot go from one place to another, you are trapped. So, tells us how people are trying to help the red panda. That would be what will the future bring. And then hidden pandas explains why red pandas are hard to find. So if someone is hard to find, they are obviously hidden. Now, these are a few extra things I've put here for you because on page 80, it said, circle all the non-fiction features you can find in Young Explorers, okay? So the index would be the information in alphabetical order at the back of a book, okay, or at the front of the book. And it's telling you exactly what is inside that book. Then we have the map, and the map is what we did in science a few months ago. And it's telling you where something is in a given place, okay? And then the photograph, we all know what a beautiful photograph is. Now, syllable. Syllable was the next piece of grammar, which was in the book, okay? Now, this would be the syllable would be the word detective, okay, where it says find these science words in the anthology, tick them, and then after that in B it says show how each word can be split up into syllables. Now a syllable is a sound, okay? It's a sound. So at would have just one sound, at. It has two letters but one sound, at. Bat has one sound and three letters. But if we say ice cream, that has many letters, okay, but it only has two sounds. So we can have many syllables in a sentence. And let's go through them with you. So highest, you can see is two sounds, so it's two syllables. Bamboo, two sounds, so two syllables. Replanting, replanting. So it's three, isn't it? Replanting. Conservation ist. So it would be four, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Well, that is how to recognize syllables in words. So, now that we know what everything stands for, let's do page 86. Remember to read what you have to do very carefully. Have fun.